Hello, this is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Is South Korea a safe country? Naturally, it is safe. South Korea is renowned worldwide as a safe country. Closed-circuit television (CCTV) cameras are present everywhere, and with just one call to 112, the police arrive at the scene within minutes. Even leaving expensive electronic devices such as laptops and smartphones unattended in coffee shops or restaurants does not result in theft. However, is Korean society really safe? At its core, there are heinous crimes such as murder and drug offenses, and recently, a brutal murder case shocked Korean society. On May 6, 2024, a male university student studying at a medical school in his 20s, Mr. Choi, attempted to jump from the rooftop railing of a building near Gangnam Station in Seoul. Police and firefighters responded, and the police rescued Mr. Che in about 2 minutes. Subsequently, they took Mr. Che to a police station about 3 kilometers away from the rooftop. When questioned by the police about why he attempted suicide, Mr. Che remained silent. However, after being persuaded by the police to talk to his parents, Mr. Che revealed that he had brought medication he usually took with him to the rooftop. It was approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes after the first response that the police were dispatched to the same scene again, the rooftop. Here, they discovered Mr. Cho's girlfriend, who had been brutally murdered by a knife. Based solely on the evidence available so far, it is highly likely to be a planned murder. Firstly, whether it was a planned murder depends on whether the murder was prepared in advance, of course. If a murder occurs during an argument and a nearby weapon is used accidentally, or if the victim is killed with bare hands, it could be considered as involuntary manslaughter, which could result in a reduction of the sentence. Planned murder usually leads to over 20 years of imprisonment, life imprisonment, or even the death penalty, whereas involuntary manslaughter can lead to a sentence of 4 to 8 years, so the difference is significant. In Mr. Cho's case, evidence has emerged that he had purchased a weapon, a knife, in a large mart in Dongtan, Hwaseong, Gyeonggi-do, 2 hours before the crime and called his girlfriend to the scene, indicating premeditation. Additionally, immediately after killing his girlfriend, he changed into different clothes he had prepared in advance, and he prepared a bag to contain blood-stained clothing and the knife. Furthermore, even after police investigation due to the suicide attempt, Mr. Che concealed the murder, and the police only discovered the victim belatedly. Mr. Che stabbed the victim in the neck area, or the carotid artery passes, more than 20 times with a knife, resulting in excessive bleeding and death. Given these circumstances, the evidence of a planned murder is quite clear. Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency initially decided not to convene a committee to review the release of personal information, public disclosure, so personal information will not be disclosed. However, Mr. Che was a person who had achieved perfect score in the past Korean college entrance exam, Korean SAT, an extraordinary achievement, and had entered Korea's top medical school. Therefore, many websites have already identified Mr. Che's personal information. Well, how extraordinary achievement to get a perfect score in Korean SAT? In South Korea, there were only 1 person with a perfect score in 2021, 3 in 2022, and 1 in 2023. So it is an extraordinary achievement, and it's also a life-changing achievement in Korean society. So Mr. Che, a former perfect scorer, had given several interviews to the media in the past, and his parents had also been interviewed by the media. Initially, with just the information that he was a perfect scorer in the college entrance exam, his identity could be easily inferred. Ultimately, Mr. Che's personal information is readily available on the internet, as well as his photos. In principle, mentioning that someone is a murderer in murder case could lead to defamation charges. However, in this case, it is not clear whether it constitutes a defamation. This is because if the person mentioned is already known to the public, the right of the people to know takes precedence. Furthermore, since hundreds of web pages have posted Mr. Che's personal information already, it is practically impossible to punish all of them. This is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Thanks for watching.